Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me and Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from Belgium. We came here only for 2 days to share our knowledge about colored paint protection film and as well to learn some new tips and tricks from very professional guys, very professional company, BC Signature. They're very big and very well known here in Belgium and I'm super excited to be here. For these 2 days, we'll have 2 cars to do. Yeah, we will wrap BMW X5 competition in very bright color, and other one is Kia, which is right there, which we're gonna wrap in gray silver color, and we're gonna use colored paint protection film. So let's start our wrapping journey. Before we're gonna start to work, I would like to show you a bit inside of the shop because they have a huge facility. It is more than 700 square meters. So let's go inside. So a few templates for BMW X5 are cut and modified and cut. Yeah, we're gonna use for the front bumper modified template, for the fenders as well. We're gonna use templates, but bonnet we're gonna do without template. Yeah, we're gonna install it bulk. So let's start installation. So this is a car, and yeah, this BMW from dark blue will go to super bright orange. Guys are measuring panels. We're gonna start with the bonnet, fenders, front bumper, and then we're gonna continue on the rest of the car. Are you excited for that?
Absolutely, it's gonna look amazing.
So, work in progress. One car is partially wrapped. Guy just installing doors. As you know, we're using modified templates. This door is done already. Looks bright and orange. And as you know, colored PPF don't have orange peel at all. It will just transfer same finish as a paint. If it's a lot of orange peel on your paint, you will get the same result on the PPF. A lot of things going on at the same time. We're wrapping 2 cars. Yeah, this Kia bonnet is finished, roof in the progress. Now guys gonna do doors and front fenders. So BMW X5 already partially wrapped. We done fender, bonnet is in the process. We still need to push around the edges. Doors almost done. And this BMW we have passenger side partially wrapped.
Because the roof, it's not tucked. I'm not sure if it's a very good idea to tuck in between rubbers of the roof.
You want to just cut next to the rubber?
No, I was thinking maybe just using the template.
Yeah, because roof is going in the gloss black, so why not? Car is almost black.
Yeah.
So
I would leave the line of the roof where it is and just make the antenna a bit smaller. Yeah, from the sunroof. Yeah. The bit smaller and just add half an inch, of maybe an inch, waist of the 0.5 safety.
Around the other edges from the
On
roof,
the
I think.
outside.
Yeah, on the outside. On the door panels, we always used 0.7.
Okay.
and now I'm gonna start installing paint protection film on this front bumper. So we continue to work on this BMW X5. Main parts are almost finished. We still need to do wheel arches, side skirts. Now we're gonna wrap this rear quarter panel. Rear bumper is pretty much done. We still need to cut excess film, but it's better to do when film is dried completely. So we're gonna leave it for later. Boot is finished, and this side is almost finished. Let's check what's going on with other car, because this car guys are wrapping in colored paint protection film, but with Nardo gray. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So fender done, bonnet done, roof is done, doors done, spoiler finished. In less than 2 days we did very good progress. Yeah, almost finished 2 cars. But this orange color looks so bright. It is crazy how bright it is. Wow. Okay, main parts are done, but I need to pack my stuff and head back home because my flight is in 3 hours. I hope when guys will finish, they will send us final videos and final pictures, and then I will share it with you. So with you was me, Virus, as always, and I will see you next time.